guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ayan, nandito tayo sa farm, a rural farm. We are going to pick peaches today. Peaches. Here, for their event. Malaki itong place na ito guys, pero it's surrounded with new developments and housing developments. So yun na nga guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa parking lot. Naghihintay tayo ngayon sa ibang mga car na mag-pick. So mag-pick tayo ng we're going to pick peaches today. So today is their first day that they open the orchard for picking. So yeah, I really like to do it guys every year if I can, because I like doing fresh peaches pie. So yeah, so this video I'm going to share to you this adventure picking peaches. Yay! So, antabayanan. May hinihintay lang natin yung ibang car. Alright? So, we are following her now. Going to the orchard. So, yeah. May lead car tayo. Lead car. Kasi, they have different orchard and different variety of peaches. They have different orchards, so nakaseparate yung mga orchard nila depende sa variety of peach. So yeah, so kailangan i-follow natin siya para kung saan niya tayo dadalhin. Snef Farms guys, they have other stuff also here. Pumpkin patch, all kinds of you-pick vegetables, and they have all kinds of festivals, especially in the winter. If this place is packed, this place is very busy. This place, they even have concerts going on here. They have that other activities for the kids, you know, concerts, and they have bakery also that they make their own goods, bakery goods. Yeah, this place is big. Wow, hindi mo akalain nandito tayo sa disyerto. Look at this towering oleanders. That's oleander, babe. Wow, it's so nice. Wow. Tingnan nyo yan, guys. Ang ganda, oh. White oleander. Sa atin yan sa Pinas, Adelpha. Here, they have different colors. White, plain white. May pink, may red, tatlong kulay. Red, pink, and white. Yung nakikita nyo guys dyan ay mga orchards na din yan. Oh. Meron silang mga bagong variety ng peach dito. Ito ay bagong tanim yata ito. So, wala pa siyang bunga, hindi pa siya nagbubunga. Oh, these are the first batches kasi you can only come in a certain period of time. See. She said we can park anywhere. Okay, doc. Alright, so nandito na tayo.
going to be the early grands. Those are the big ones, okay? So as long as you keep them separate in different boxes, you guys can get whatever you want. Keep them separate. Florida Prince versus.
Okay. So the first.
Are they the same size? The same price?
Same price, just for inventory.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, like that.
I guess so.
Ah, okay. I wanna go the early grand, babe.
Okay.
Early grand. So early grand is bigger peach and sweet and juicy and
No, I think the bigger peach is it.
no, a Florida Prince is not. It's
Oh,
not.
okay.
It's not big, babe.
These are the Florida Prince.
Yeah. Oh my God. Look at these
Yeah, they're
guys.
small guys.
Okay. Ayan na. Ito Florida Prince. So.
Okay.
Florida Prince. Let's go in the back because I want bigger ones. Oh my God, let's right here. See, guys, oh, sayang. Look at this. Wow, di mo akalain na dito tayo sa desierto. Ang daming ano. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. Ang dami.
Subscribe na.
Ang dami. Basta ako ano lang muna. Yeah, so you are going to be very careful of what you're picking because you are going to pay everything that you pick. Think maraming bunga ngayon, guys, kumpara noon. At saka we can see there is still a lot of fruit. It's because we are the first group of people and today is the first day. Like this one here, guys, oh. Ang laki. This is the early grand variety. Oh my God, malalaki siya, guys. Oh. That's where I got this.
MOR 91.1 Love Song Remix.
Ang sarap. Ang juicy, grabe. Grabe, ang sarap, guys.
MOR 91.1 for live. Napabanat tayo agad ng paglapang, guys. Maraming maisyaron, kaya lang ang lahat ng mga isasyaron mo dito, babayaran mo. Pero libreng kain. Great time, great music.
Perfect.
On Team Sam Music Collection.
Perfect. Dami, oh.
This is SMTV Travels. Subscribe.
There you go. Let's not pick the very ripe because you want to give them the time frame to be more ripe. Kasi pag pinick up mo yung yeah, that's okay. Pinick up mo yung hinog na, mag-overripe siya, guys, in just a couple days. So you want to give them
time para mag-ripe. Kasi hindi mo magagamit yan, makakain ka lang agad in one day. So I like that, but it's hard. Oh, this one here.
Powered by MOR 91.1 for life.
Look at that, guys. Ang dami ko na. Ay, nakain na din ako kanina. Oh, wow.
Nice.
That's very ripe. Oh my God. It's getting heavy. Oh, I like this. And then, the way you pick them, oh my God. Nasisira, guys. So, pag ganyang nasisira na, balatan na yan at lapangin na. Nandito na naman tayo. Oh guys, oh. Oh, malinis yan, ha. Oh. Grabe, look at that.
This is SMTV Travel.
Wow, so juicy.
It's so juicy.
Music Collection. Suave. Basta chismosa, ara sa pamilya.
So guys, oh, mukbang tayo, peach, fresh from the farm, fresh from the tree.
MOR 91.1 loves
Grabe,
remix.
it's so juicy. Mm. So this is it. So 1, 2. What's that? Oh, I wanna see the difference. Ah,
Powered by MOR
This way,
91.1
or
for
the-
life. About
okay.
You can see they're definitely small.
Oh my goodness, they are small, but maybe they are more sweeter for eating. Yeah,
Pretty good for eating.
this one here, guys, is a Florida Prince. Maliliit siya, guys. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh, Florida Prince, ang liit niya. Florida Prince. So cute. Florida Prince, maliliit siya. Medium size. Hindi naman talaga yung maliliit. Medium siya size. Eh?
MOR
Here.
91.1 love song remix.
Kasi iba yung tartness ng ano, ng Florida Prince. I wanna try this. I wanna try. Crunchy siya. Ito yung crunchy. Crunchy na ano. Oh, crunchy siya, guys.
Powered by MOR
Babe.
91.1
Uy.
for life. About
Good, ha?
Like the other one better.
There's one big one. There's one big one.
Yeah. All right, I guess.
Wow, look at these. A lot.
Look at these guys, oh.
Get a picture with me with this holding this box.
Look at this. Kaya kumpul-kumpul talaga. Wow, look at that.
Sorry.
Alright guys, tapos na kami mag-picking ng ng peach. So, pauwi na kami. Kung nandyan pa rin kayo at nanonood, maraming salamat sa inyo guys. So guys, yun na nga. Tapos na tayong mag-pick ng peaches sa orchard. So, pauwi na kami. So, kung nandyan pa kayo at nanonood until now, thank you so much guys. Mega love shout out sa lahat dyan ng mga nanonood, YouTube friends, Team Premier friends, at lalong-lalo na sa ating mga members ng aking YouTube channel at mga super viewers and super chatters. Thank you so much guys. See you in my next vlog. Thanks so much.